Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 23rd of July. The euro commenced the week with a gap lower in the Asian session as developments in the debt-ridden eurozone have been inflicting additional sell-off pressure over the single currency. On Friday, Valencia was expected to ask help from the central government of Spain. At the same time, the nation's 10-year bond yields were recording euro-era highs. A weekend report claimed that the IMF is considering whether or not to provide additional aid to Greece. The Troika is due to revisit the Greece issue to assess the implementation of the second bailout plan measures. The ECB President Draghi said that the central bank has no taboos and is open to taking additional measures if needed. The US dollar appears strong as the markets open with apparent risk aversion buying, even though the US economy faces its own challenges with high unemployment levels, unsustainable debt accumulation and weak consumer confidence. The greenback is still preferred as a safe haven in times of crisis. Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke disappointed those anticipating a third round of quantitative easing when, during his two-day testimony last week, avoided indicating that such an action is looming. Looking at commodities, we saw oil open at $90.90 a barrel from $91.24. Gold opened at $1,581.34 from $1,583.86. And against the euro, gold rose to €1,303.30 from €1,287.59. Silver opened at $27.22 an ounce from $27.25. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 121.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 121.75. The dollar-yen pivot points at 78.65 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.55. The Aussie-dollar pivot point is at 104 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104. The sterling-dollar pivot point is at 156.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 156.45. And the dollar-CAD pivot point is at 101 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 91.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 91.70. The gold pivot point is at 1587 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1587. And the silver pivot point is at 27.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 27.30. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market mover is the EU consumer confidence for July, forecast to drop to -20. And the interesting pair this week is the Canadian dollar, which surged against the Swiss franc over the past week, in line with its monthly uptrend. The pair fell to 0.9633 last Monday, but managed to rise for the rest of the week, recording a high at 0.9771. This was 138 pips, a weekly rise in percentage terms of 1.43%. It will be interesting to see whether the pair will record higher highs. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.